I don't believe in you.
Well,
Okay, next, Mr.
I'm not
Chair.
asking you to believe in me.
Okay, fine.
Far from it.
Mr. Chair, tayo po ay nasa investigasyon kasalukuyan,
Yes,
Mr.
but you
Chair.
are not an investigator. Why are you asking me to answer
Mr.
yes
Chair,
or no?
tinatanong ko lang
Be signed today instead of tomorrow. Will you be fine with that, Mr. President?
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi.
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi, wala naman.
Ano eh, ngayon na.
Wala pong ganunan.
Mr. Chairman.
I'll give you, ano, sasampalin ko sa
Mr. Chairman.
session
Session suspended.
Yes. Sabi kang investigador, you may hawak ka ng affidavit dyan, executed by another person, and you're trying to confront me with the statements made in that affidavit, and you're trying to exact an answer from me. Pagka ganon, maghinto tayo dito. That is not proper.
Mr.
That
President.
is not fair.
Kayo ay nagpunta ngayon sapagkat may tiwala na po kayo sa amin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Sabi kasi ni ano sir na ipakontempt ako. So si ano siya sir.
Are you done, Congressman Abante?
Yes, Mr. Chair, maraming salamat po.
Okay, maraming salamat din po.
Ikaw yan sir. Nagsabi na we will cite him in contempt. Contempt sir, priso yan eh.
Mr. Chairman.
The next to interpolate, yes, Congressman Paduano.
The former president is not yet recognized in telling this committee and me to cite you in contempt. I never cited you in contempt. But, believe you me, I will not hesitate to cite it in contempt if you violate these proceedings. The internal rules, I will invoke Section 11 and your former congressman, and you know that. I never cited you in contempt. Mr. President, well, in fact, I just raised a point of order.
Kaya sir, takot ako sa iyo.
Hindi.
Thank you.
Hindi ka dapat matakot for as long as you follow the rules of this
ako, sir.
committee and you respect the members of this committee.
I will
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
behave sir because of you.
COMELEC, Mr. Chair. To the honors, Mr.
Maniwala
President.
ka nyo.
Hindi, yun po sinasabi ng COMELEC, Mr. President. And yun po yung
kasi
batas na atin po dapat sundin.
Tanungin kita, sinong kandidato nagsauli
Mr. President, you cannot ask question. We will be the one asking question.
That's why I said
to take accountability and responsibility also for this?
wala na ako niyan, ma'am. Nandito na ako sa Maynila.
So, you're saying no.
Oh, well, kung gusto mo isali yan, idagdag mo na, okay lang.
How about the death of General Barayuga, the PSCS or Secretary? Are you willing to take full legal responsibility for this?
I do not kill generals.
The death of Mayor Aldong Parohinog and the 15 others in Osamis City, are you taking full responsibility on this?
Hindi ako nagpapatay ng mga mayor, ma'am.
The death of Mayor Espinosa of Albuera Leyte, are you taking full responsibility on this?
Hindi ko, ma'am. That's my birthplace.
The death of Tony Halili in Tanawan City.
Malayo yan siya sa akin, ma'am.
The death of Mayor Perez of Los Baños.
Lalo na.
Okay, next, Mr.
I'm not
Chair.
asking you to believe in me.
Okay, fine.
Far from it.
Droga, papatayin nyo rin po si
Oo.
Michael Yang.
Ako? Maniwala ka?
Kung may mga ebidensya po,
Oo.
papatayin nyo.
Sasama, tawagan kita, kasama ko.
Hindi po. Ayokong maging katulad ninyo, no? At ayokong masama doon sa patayan.
You will
So,
be
hindi
a
po.
witness to a murder.